Hello, this is the two stairs house, expandable house we talked about. Here it is the floor, and this kind of floor is very strong enough and also waterproof, and windows, and this is the door. And inside, let's come inside. Inside, this is you can put a kitchen cabinet here, and this is the bathroom and toilet, washing basin, mirror cabinet, and also the bath shower. Yeah, here. And now let's come to the upstairs. Here is the upstairs. This is the side. Here is the upstairs. Okay, first we check the back. Yeah, this is the back. For this kind of wine, it is very stable. You can see this is the connected. This is actually two expanded house and to connect it together. And this is the stairs upstairs. You see the stairs will make it very beautiful and also very strong. So when you stair it, you will not feel unstable. This is the second floor. And here is the second floor. Yeah, 2 bedrooms. Also, if you want to add another one, you can also another bedrooms in the first floor. And this is the bathroom. Yes, toilet, washing basin, a mirror, and also shower room.